Oh, there it is. The first time I seen it. It was buried in a big snowdrift in Buddy's yard up in Barrie, Ontario. Pulled it out of there. It looked pretty rusty. I crawled around it, got a good deal on it, strapped it down on the trailer and brought her home. Jeremy's stripping the derby car.
Gotta do a fucking walk around.
What are you doing there, bud?
Taking a pot.
And he's wearing his checkers because we're the winners.
We racing.
Nick's gonna show us how he takes a door panel off. He's getting right at her, folks. Look at him go. This is a perfect shot of his behind. Can't even fit the whole damn thing in the shot.